Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I am representing the University of British Columbia in Vancouver, BC, Canada. This is challenge number 1, the traffic light circuit. I will begin by uploading my code to Arduino and showing you the demo. Here's my circuit, and as you can see, it has the following behavior. The green LED will turn on for 3 seconds, the yellow LED will turn on for 1 second, and the red LED will turn on for 2 seconds. This cycle will continue repeating as long as the Arduino is plugged in, and that concludes challenge number 1. This is challenge number 2, the button control blink speed. I will begin by uploading my code to Arduino and showing you the demo. As you can see here right now, the LED is currently blinking slowly as I have not pressed the button yet. However, when I press the button, the LED will blink quickly. When I release it, it will blink slowly. Let me do it one more time so that you can see it again. And that concludes challenge number 2. This is challenge number 3, the serial monitor output. I'll first begin by uploading my code to Arduino and showing you this output of the serial monitor. Right now, the current button is not being pressed, so the output is low. However, when I press the button, you'll see the output change to high. When I let go, the output will be low. When I press it again, the output will be high. And that concludes challenge number 3. This is challenge number 4, using a potentiometer to control LEDs. I'll first begin by uploading my code to Arduino and showing you the demonstration. Here's my circuit, and you can see as I turn the potentiometer to the right, the number of LEDs that come on will slowly increase. And when I turn it the other way, the number of LEDs that are on will decrease. Let's do it one more time. And that concludes challenge number 4. This is challenge number 5, PWM outputs. I'll first begin by uploading my code to Arduino and showing you the demonstration. Here's my circuit. Right now, as you can see, the LED is currently off. However, when I turn the potentiometer to the right, you'll see the LED slowly increase in brightness, like so. When I turn the potentiometer the other way, the opposite will happen. The LED will slowly dim in brightness, just like so. And that concludes challenge number 5. This is challenge number 8, the 7-segment display stopwatch. Let's first upload our code to Arduino, and let me show you the demonstration. Right now, as you can see, the display is currently counting from 0 to 9 repeatedly. However, when I press the reset button, you'll see the display reset to 0. Let me do it one more time, and another time. And that concludes challenge number 8. This is challenge number 9, the LCD display stopwatch. Here's my code, and let me upload it to Arduino and show you the demonstration. Right now, as you can see, here's my circuit, and you can see the message "Hello Arduino" with a smiley face along with the stopwatch counting up the time on the LCD display. When I press the reset button, you can see the time reset to 0. Let's do it one more time. To adjust the contrast on this LCD display, you'll need to turn the screw, which is marked by a blue box. And that's it for challenge number 9. This is challenge number 12, the sensor-activated nightlight. Here's my code, and here's my circuit. Right now, the room is very lit, so the LED will not turn on. However, when I place my finger over the photoresistor, you can see the LED turn on. When I remove my finger, the LED turns back off. Now for the flashing behavior of this circuit. Let me quickly tilt the photoresistor over so that it faces the LED. And now you can see that the LED constantly flickers on and off. And that's it for challenge number 12. This is challenge number 13, the smart AC system. Here's my code, and here's my circuit with the fan. Right now, as you can see, room temperature is reading around 24.6 degrees Celsius. In order to trigger the fan, we will need a minimum temperature of at least 25 degrees Celsius. To do so, we will place our head over the temperature and humidity sensor, just like so. And the fan will trigger on as soon as the temperature hits 25 degrees Celsius. And that's it for challenge number 13. This is challenge number 15, the keypad and IR remote sensing system. For this challenge, I programmed my Arduino so that it takes inputs from both a keypad and a Toshiba IR remote and displays them in the serial monitor. To start with the demo, let's first start out with the keypad. I'll press some buttons and you can see the corresponding output in the serial monitor. And now let's move on to the Toshiba IR remote. And that concludes challenge number 15. That concludes all the challenges. Thank you for watching.